this video, we will learn how to exempt a user from password expiration. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to Directory and then Groups. Click on Add Group to create the specific group. Name the group Exempt from Password Expiration, and click Save. Now search for the group you have just created. Click on the group and then assign people. From here, search for the user you wish to have exempt from password expiration and click the plus next to the user. Now navigate to Security and then Authentication. Click on Add New Password Policy and name it Expiration Bypass. And add the Exempt from Password Expiration group just created, scroll down and verify password expires is unchecked. Click Create Policy, which will prompt you to add a rule. Name the rule Expiration Bypass, then create the rule needed for the organization, and click Create Role. Make sure the new policy is higher in priority than the password expiration rule that is enforced, and that is how to exempt a user from password expiration. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.